Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, June the 20th, 2025. Asia Pacific markets are mixed again today and more confused than ever, even as US President Donald Trump decides against immediately participating in the Israel-Iran war, instead giving his decision now 2 weeks. But who trusts him, right? The Pakistan Stock Exchange is also confused, swinging from here to there, up to down before ending the day with a 23-point gain. But what happened intraday is very instructive and very interesting. So let's take a deeper look. So this is today's market action. A red candle, but still a 20-point gain. The reason, once again, is a gap up at the open. That you can see more clearly in the hourly chart over here. This is where the market opened, this is the first hour's activity, and this is where the market closes, the last hour being just one perfect doji. But let's take a deeper look in the market. Once again, we were looking for the RSI to move up at or before 40, because that is now the crucial level. A move beyond a break below 40 would mean that the market is now in textbook bearish territory, also momentum wise. All the action about moving averages notwithstanding, because moving averages are determinants of market trends in trending markets, not in sideways markets. But since the devil lies in the details, let's look at the smaller time frames now. The 3-hour chart. Now look at the RSI. Look how it has tested the 40 level once, twice and thrice, and not breaking below it. Like we noted yesterday, it has on the 3-hour chart broken below the 50 period EMA, but not below the 100 period EMA. But now let's go a little deeper. Let's go into the 1-hour chart. Here it has broken the RSI below 40, tried to come up again, but went below again. But over here, crucially, as we pointed out yesterday, the market found very strong support at the 200 period EMA. It did so yesterday. It did again once, twice, here thrice, and fourth again, which means that despite the inherent uncertainty which is pushing the market and the index down, there is still fundamental strength in the market which is not letting it fall below very crucial levels. Another way of saying this is that there is selling pressure, right? But this selling pressure is not fundamental to the market. This selling pressure is exogenous, mostly event-driven, and if you look at the headlines of the last few days, you understand why. And the fact that market is still finding buying resilience even at low levels at very crucial technical points is proof that fundamentally the market retains strength. It is still strong. We must, however, wait for the event-driven storm to pass. But this uncertainty is likely to hover and linger for a while to come. So the best we can do is keep looking at the technical indicators and oscillators to find the market direction and gauge what is happening. So stay tuned to the market developments. Thank you.